Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. It's parcel number 3 and we have another Amazon unboxing. The question is, who is it from? Well, we'll have to wait and see. Let's take a look in here. I know for a fact this is not from me. So, I haven't ordered nothing on Amazon apart from crisps. So, yes, who's it going to be? Let's take a look in here. Oh dear. Oh, right. We're going to have to stop a minute because I can open it, but you see that means it's been gift wrapped. What that means is that the person who's bought this has wrapped it up for Christmas or a birthday. They've paid gift wrap. So Amazon do this thing where you can pay like £3 and they'll gift wrap it. You don't know what's in the bag until you open it. It could be that this is for Christmas. If it is, I'm going to have to stop the video. Okay, wow. Okay, we've got a bag. We've got a mystery bag, guys. What's that in there? We've got an envelope or something in here. Oh, that's an order slip, so we better not look at that. I just need to double check the tag because if this is for Christmas, I don't want to open it until Christmas, but we could be really naughty and open it now because remember I film in advance, so I can't. If I don't... If I do not open this now, it's just going to be looking at me, so I'm going to have to. But who's it from, guys? Well, let's take a look and see who it's from. So, wow. Okay, so who's it from? My feeling is it's probably Dawn. Or, I don't know. Because I had a parcel recently that totally shocked me. I didn't even know that these people watch my channel. So it was really cool of them. And... enjoy your gift, sent Secret Admirer, Merry Christmas from Angela McCabe. Enjoy your gift, sent Secret Admirer, Merry Christmas from Angela McCabe. So it is a Christmas present. I will open it and see what it is. So, oh wow. Well, I'm definitely going to reuse this bag. Okay, we've got something in that bag. And it is... ta-da! It's a diamond painting, guys. Oh, wow. But, yeah, they've paid out for this gorgeous bag, gift wrap. But when you do gift wrap, I mean, it's great. You know, if you're, you haven't got the time to wrap up presents, this is the perfect thing. Because, Amazon do it for you. You don't get to pick what wrapping it is. But, yeah, they will do it for you. But let's see what she got me. So... this one looks very pixelated, but we'll take a look. Oh my god. Oh, yes! This is the... I'm super excited. This is the red one that that tree I was telling you about? Oh my god, I literally was about to order this today. So, oh, yes. Yes. This was on the Black Friday deal, guys. Look at this. Oh, yes. Oh, look. Yes. See, I said about a red tree. Well, this is it. And what it is, look at that. What you've got, it's very pixelated, but what I like about this is it's a 30x60, and you've got the tree, you've got the moon, but look, you've got that lovely fence with like a river flowing through it. So I really fell in love with that, and there's a yellow one as well that I quite like. So this one has 20 colours in this one. A huge thank you to this lovely present. So really, really lovely indeed. And this one comes with the standard boat. But yeah, I just, it's something different rather than the 30x40s. I do an awful lot of animal paintings and I want to branch out. I love my flowers, love my trees. So yeah, had to do that. So let's put that to one side. And we'll get the, sorry, I thought its knees was under the, and we'll get these out of here later. And as you can see in here now, we have got, oh yes. We've got a white, we've got a purple, a brown, we've got a red, we've got a pink, we've got a red, we've got a pink, a red. It's going in vice versa. We've got a pink, a red, another pink, a red, a grey, a purple, a black, a pink, a red, and a pink. Wow. What can I say? You've absolutely exceeded my expectations there, Angela McCabe. So, yeah, wow. Thank you ever so much. for this gift, and that's one that I've been wanting to get for a while. So yeah, it's newly added. Because when people buy off my wish list, I've then got to find new things to put on the wish list. So every night I sort of like have a little rummage around, see what I can find. And wow, yeah, absolutely beautiful. So very, very happy with that. And that's going to go back in there. I have opened it early. The reason being is because obviously I do my filming in advance. So obviously if I open this in Christmas, you're not going to see it till January. So that's why I thought I'd open it now. But yes, my first Christmas present from a YouTuber. Sorry, no, my second Christmas, because Michael got me an early Christmas one, and so have you. So thank you very much to Angela McCabe there. Enjoy your gift, sent Secret Admirer. Yeah, but you've given it away because you put sent Secret Admirer and then you put from Angela McCabe. So you've give that away. So yeah, I know who you are. You are my secret admirer, aren't you? But anyways, thank you so much for this lovely gift. Thank you, thank you, thank you. A massive thank you to all of my people that send me gifts. I received quite a lot of gifts, and I'm humbly blessed with all these lovely gifts that I get. And you will go in the scrapbook of fame. So yes. So we've got the boat as well there, which I've totally forgot to put in, but I'll keep that out anyway. So a massive thank you there. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of future uploads on the channel. And we'll see you very soon for another unboxing. Take care. See you later. See you next time.